All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a quick look at the Synido Live Solo MK2 audio interface. They did give me one to check out, and the intro of this video and the outro of the video is recorded on my other audio interface, but the rest of the video is recorded with my voice on this interface, so you can see if there's any difference. There is one thing I don't like. I'll tell you about that at the end. It comes in two different colors. And I have a link down in the bottom for Amazon and to their website. I find the price on Amazon to be cheaper than on their website, but sometimes there's deals and sales and stuff like that, so you can check them out either way. So let's check this thing out. On the front panel, we have our input here with the fan and power on, and then we have our input level here. As you can see, as I get closer, it's in the green, and you don't want to get into the red. And then for our instrument input, we also have instrument and line. I just have a guitar cable plugged right in for when I play guitar. That would be your line input. If you're plugging in like a keyboard or something that produces its own sound, you put the instrument input and you want to set the level. Now over here, the output level, have our headphones, and there's these three different switches here for studio, mix, and USB. More on this later. And then on the screen of my computer, I have the software here where I can mute the mic, playback mute as well. And there's different EQ settings for stuff. On the back, we have our USB-C cable and our speaker for monitors out. So it's very compact, as you can see, very portable. As you can see, little rubber on the bottom there to keep it nice on your desk. A box as well comes with a headphone adapter and the USB-C cable that you see on the left, the orange one, instruction manual. And the box makes a great carrying case for when you want to throw it in your backpack or wherever. So then I recorded some guitar parts, pan left and right here. See what they sound like through the interface. You get the idea. A little sloppy there, but whatever. So overall, it's a very affordable interface, great for portability. You can use it with your iPhones, your iOS devices, Macs, PCs. Now, the one thing that I don't like about it that was driving me crazy is the monitor switch here. I have powered monitors. The volume are on the back of my monitors. This is not a volume for your monitors. You have to use the volume on your speakers. Great when you're using headphones, but for this, it's just, it's just so loud. And for me to go behind my desk and adjust the volume of my speakers, it's a little bit crazy. So that's just the one thing that I have bad to say about it. But if you have speakers with volumes in the front, it's all good. All right, so let me know what you think. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.